Hello guys, I share to you my things, personal things. I have Nivea body lotion, and then I have Vaseline for my feet, and I have Centrum for my vitamins, and this is it. Rice overall. And that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. I go in pharmacy. I want to buy something, but I don't see. I want to buy. I want to buy lotion, but I don't see. I want to buy like this cream like this, but I cannot buy. I don't see. I buy Nivea. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys.